Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm going to share with you this live trading session with the strategy with pocket option. I like recording my trades and show you my results and how it's possible to generate profits with binary options and the way that I use it to generate these profits. So I'm going to share with you a few steps you need to follow the moment you start trading with binary options. A few advice I think is going to help you to be a writable trader with binary options. So let's rock with this video. Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester and the idea of this video is to share with you a few advices that I can give you about how to be a writable trader with binary options. So I think the first advice and a good advice is you need to have a writable strategy for binary options. This is a good advice. On YouTube, you're going to find a lot of strategies about how to trade with binary options, doing this at this indicator, trading on this hour, trading with these only pairs. But many traders on YouTube telling us the secret to be a writable trader with binary options. But the truth is, exist many strategies, writable strategies on YouTube or private or with a good academies, and you can be a writable trader with one single strategy. But what is the secret? For me, the secret is to be constant. You need to be constant. You need to work hard every single day. You need to practice a lot with different strategies and find the good one for you. For example, I have this strategy, and for me, this is the best strategy that I'm going to use. And I recorded a lot of videos about more strategies. But if you notice, in the last months, I only trade with this strategy. And why is that? Because I was writable trading only with this strategy. So I don't need more strategies to, confuse me and doing different things with different strategies, and can be something stupid for me because I have a good strategy, I have a good method. All you need to do is respect my rules, respect my strategy, and trading respecting my schedule, my strategy and it's not because we have always the same schedule to trade. No. We are writable when we have a good and stable market. That's it. For me, this is the key that I'm going to give you to you to be a writable trader. The second advice is find a good broker. What if this means? Well, in this case, I trading a lot with pocket option because for me, this is a writable broker and I generate the good profits within a lot. But the profits is important. Yes, this is so important, but this is not the most important. The most important is they pay out. They always give you your money when you request your withdrawal. This is so important. I have a lot of troubles to request my withdrawal with IK options. They never pay me. They always request something new. Something, I don't know, my ID, my passport, my email, whatever. All that excuses using to don't pay my money. So for that reason, I'm using a lot pocket option and QUOTEX too. So that two brokers is the brokers that I use them because they pay me. In only taking a few minutes when I request my money with BTC, with cryptocurrencies. And the third advice is always trade in a quiet place. If you're trading with a lot of noise and someone talking higher and scream, children's, your dog, your cat, I don't know. This is something is gonna distract your attention about the market. You need to watch and you need to have a quiet place, your own place to trade. So I don't know, go to your room. Maybe the bathroom gonna be a good place for you. I don't know, but you need to quiet place to stay focused, only watching the market. Okay, and I'm gonna give you another extra tips is you need to have a knowledge about the candlestick patterns. This is so important. Well, In this case, for me, it's so important because I'm trading with quick trades and I follow a short patterns with different candlestick patterns. So I watched the market and I decided to take it. So I don't know. I don't lose money. Was in the money. I think it was draw because I have $9,000 yet. So continue with this. You need to have your space to trade. This is a work. You need to quiet place. I don't know. Put your music, your favorite music, and trade. Focus on your trades, and you're gonna be a rightable trader if you follow these simple steps. And another free advice is please never, never, and never make over trading. Over trading or martingala is gonna kill you. It's gonna blow up your account. So never make over trading. This is my advice. So subscribe my channel. This is a short video trading, talking to you, and show you my results. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow me on my social media and follow me on Discord channel too. Open your account using the link below this video with pocket option and see you on the next wave.